Hey lovelies, welcome back to SoulSync, your favorite space for all things love, vulnerability, and the magic of connection. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big like if you've ever found yourself doing something totally adorable, thoughtful, or low-key flirty for someone you like, but just couldn't bring yourself to admit it. Today's topic is something we all relate to but don't talk about enough. The subtle, sweet, and secretly romantic things girls do when they like a guy, without actually saying it out loud. These little actions might seem ordinary, but they carry a ton of emotional weight. It's not about big declarations or dramatic moves. It's about the unspoken signs that speak volumes if you know how to look. So, whether you're the guy trying to figure out her signals or the girl who's smiling quietly because you do these things, this video is for you. Let's jump into the hidden language of love. 1. She remembers the tiny details you didn't even think she noticed. When a girl likes you, her brain turns into a personal scrapbook for everything you say. Even the tiniest things you probably forgot you mentioned. She'll remember that you like your coffee a little too sweet, or that you once told her about your favorite cartoon from when you were 7. Even if it came up randomly in conversation, if it matters to you, it's stored. That's because she's not just hearing your words. She's emotionally investing in the parts of your life that shaped you. It's not about trying to impress you. It's deeper. This type of memory means she's genuinely listening with her heart, not just her ears. When she brings something up weeks later that you barely remember saying, it's her way of showing you, I see you. I care. You matter to me. This isn't just cute. It's a form of emotional intimacy, and it's incredibly powerful. 2. She mirrors your energy, from body language to texting habits. It may be subtle, but when a girl likes you, her vibe starts to reflect yours almost without her realizing. If you're laid back and chill, you might notice her relaxing more around you. If you get hyped about something, she'll match your energy with excitement. Even her texting patterns might begin to echo yours. Your use of emojis, your lingo, your timing. It's not copying. It's unconscious harmony. Psychologically, this is called mirroring, and it happens when someone feels emotionally aligned or connected. So if you notice her posture matching yours, her laugh syncing up with yours, or her conversation style subtly adapting to match your rhythm, it means her heart is trying to find its rhythm with yours. It's like her body is saying, I want to be close to you, even if her words haven't yet. 3. She makes time for you, even when she's overwhelmed. When life gets busy, we usually cut out the non-essentials. But if a girl is still texting you back when she's tired, making time to see you between work and errands, or even just checking in when she's drained, that's real effort. She's not doing it because she has to. She's doing it because she wants to include you in her world, no matter what's happening in it. What's special here is the consistency. She doesn't make it look like a big deal. But these tiny acts of attention are how she builds emotional closeness without needing to say, I like you. She's investing her energy in you. And that's a currency you should never take lightly. If she's choosing to be present even during her hardest days, it's not just affection, it's devotion. 4. Her mood noticeably shifts when you're around. You walk into the room and she instantly lights up. Her voice softens, her smile widens, and she becomes more present in the moment, even if she was stressed or distracted just seconds ago. That kind of energy shift? It's real, and it's a beautiful giveaway that she feels something when you're near. This isn't about her faking it to impress you. If anything, she might try to stay neutral, but her body and energy will betray her. You affect her mood just by existing in her space. It's the kind of change she can't control. Her heartbeat picks up, her eyes light up, and her walls drop just a little. That's not a casual reaction. That's chemistry and emotional magnetism she might not even fully understand herself. 5. She finds little ways to get your attention or praise. Whether it's posting a subtle selfie on her story, casually telling you about something she accomplished, or sending a random snap of her outfit, it's not just for her friends or social media. It's for you. When a girl likes a guy, she becomes hyper-aware of how he sees her, even if she never says it aloud. So if she's showing you things she's proud of, or waiting to see if you'll notice a new hairstyle, your opinion matters more than you know. This isn't about validation, it's about emotional connection. She wants you to see her, to acknowledge her, to feel proud of her, and more importantly, she wants to know if she holds a special place in your attention. So the next time she sends you that random text or asks what you think of her new dress, know that she's giving you the power to see her, really see her, in a way she doesn't offer just anyone. 6. She becomes adorably awkward or extra shy around you. It's cute, but also so telling. When a girl likes a guy, she often becomes more awkward around him than anyone else. She might fidget, stumble over words, laugh too loudly, or avoid eye contact for just a second too long. This isn't social anxiety. This is heart flutters taking over her usual chill. She might even swing between being confident and suddenly flustered. That switch? It's emotional vulnerability trying to hide itself behind casualness. Her nervous energy is a neon sign that says, "You make me feel things I don't quite know how to express." And honestly, that nervousness is one of the most sincere indicators of real attraction because it means she cares how you perceive her. 7. She nurtures you in small, intentional ways. Whether it's sending you a drink water reminder, helping you prep for that big meeting, or texting you, "Good luck" before your game. That's emotional care. She's tuned into your ups and downs, and she wants to be part of your emotional ecosystem. It's not performative. It's her way of loving in the background without demanding anything in return. This quiet form of support is so telling. A girl who likes you will try to make your life feel just a little easier, even if it's just through a sweet message or a thoughtful comment. And when she starts anticipating your needs before you say them, that's when you know she's fully invested, because emotional care doesn't lie. 8. She opens up her emotional world to you, slowly but deeply. If she starts telling you about things that aren't surface level, like her childhood dreams, things that scare her, stories that shaped her, that's her way of emotionally undressing in front of you. She's letting you into the most sacred spaces of her heart, and that doesn't happen by accident. She's not trying to trauma dump, she's trying to bond. Girls who like someone want them to see beyond the pretty face or polished image. They want you to know them, the real them. If she begins to trust you with those tender parts of her story, it means she's already decided you're emotionally safe. And when a girl feels safe, she becomes open. And openness is the gateway to love. So there you have it, beauties. The quiet, emotional, and totally real ways girls express interest without ever saying it directly. These actions may seem small, but they come from a heart that's wide open and full of curiosity, hope, and affection. If you saw yourself in any of these, or if you're starting to think maybe she likes me, hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. And tell me in the comments, which of these signs have you done, or noticed someone doing for you? Until next time, stay soft, stay confident, and stay emotionally synced, right here with SoulSync.